The number of cyber attacks caused by configuration errors has been reported to be between 20 and 35%. To reduce the risk of human error and misconfigurations, policy assignment can be automated using the concept of zones. Inspecting the Windows zone, we can better understand how this works. In the middle pane, there is a zone rule. This rule can be leveraged to assign systems in any number of ways. On the right, we see the zone properties for the Windows zone. There is a zone name and associated policy. As agents are deployed and check in with Aurora Endpoint, a zone is assigned based on the zone rule. Then, the policy that has been assigned to the zone is automatically applied, effectively reducing the opportunity for configuration error. To illustrate how this is done, I'll use the example of policy assignment to Windows servers. First, we need to define the policy. To do so, navigate to the solid shield and select Device Policy. For this example, we're going to create a policy for Windows servers. Click the Add Policy button to do so. Give your policy a name, then review, and enable all the configuration features that you feel are best suited to your situation. Take time to review and consider any exceptions that may pertain to your organization. When you've finished, be sure to save the changes. Now that we have a policy for Windows servers, we would like to create a rule that correctly applies that policy. To do this, navigate to the Assets icon indicated by the cube, then select Devices. This page will list the devices that have the Aurora agent installed in your organization. After selecting the search bar located at the top of the page, we see saved searches and fields that can be used to build new queries. To start building the query, I'll select the OS version from the options below. And then I want to include any version that contains the term Windows Server. After hitting Enter or Search, we see the results of our search below. But perhaps I'd like to be more specific. To do that, there is the option to add and or statements. However, our query is complete. We now have a search query that will list all of the Windows servers in our organization. Let's save this as Windows servers by clicking the disk icon. Saving these search queries allows us to use them as zone rules. Now let's create a zone for all of our Windows servers. Back in the Zones table, click the Add New Zone button. Give the zone a name and select a new policy from the drop-down menu. Click Save. The new zone is now listed in the table. Click on the name to view the zone details. In the center panel, click the Create Rule button. This is where we apply the search query we created and saved on the device page for our Windows servers. Then check the box to apply the zone. Clicking the next box will automatically remove devices in the zone that don't follow the zone rules. Hit Save to apply the zone rule. The last step is to check the box under Associated Policy so that all new systems will have this policy applied. Then save those changes as well. We can now rest assured that new Windows servers will automatically be assigned the correct policy and reduce the risk of misconfiguration or human error in the process. Automation through zones and policies means your Aurora endpoint security is consistent, resilient, and always aligned to your security goals. To learn more or get access to a free test environment, check us out at arcticwolf.com.